Hello guys, so today I'm going to teach you how you can get Realstream gift card codes for free, and to be specific, the $100 gift card. So let's get to it. You're going to go to your default browser and you're going to type in Breezy Coupons. As you can see, I've typed in Breezy Coupons on my phone. You're going to click on the first link that you find. Then you're going to search in Steam. And you are going to press search. You're going to click on this link that you find. Now, as you can see here, only a 53 souls gift cards are left. So you need to hurry up. So as you can see, I'll click on this show gift card. And for you to unlock the code, you need to complete some certain tasks. Okay, let me show you the task. You are being told to download the Bible and run it for 30 seconds. That is an app in short, and you are being told to download the Lumos VPN and you are told to run it for 30 seconds. This won't take so much of your time, and that is simply how it's done. Now on to your next step is you need to go to the Stream app and paste this code after completing the task that you have been given, and the code has appeared on your device. All you need to do is to paste that code on the Steam app. And if you don't have the Steam app downloaded on your device, you just need to click. For mine, I'm using a PC. You just need to click download Steam for PC, and it should give you a window like this. Now, under this window, you need to go to games and press on activate a product on stream. Now here is where you will paste this code and you should be about done with the process. So this is simply how it's done. So if you found this content useful, consider subscribing and tell me whether it has worked for you.